First, open the Cofinex app and tap on Assets. Now, click on the Withdraw option. Next, choose Withdraw Fiat to begin your withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select the bank account where you want to receive your funds. Once everything is set, tap on Proceed. Transaction confirmation screen will appear. Carefully check all your details before moving forward. If everything looks correct, tap Proceed again. For security verification, tap Send to receive your OTP on email. Then enter the OTP along with your 6-digit two-factor authentication code. After entering both codes, tap on Confirm Withdrawal. Your withdrawal request is now submitted. It may take a few minutes for approval from our end. And that's it, your withdrawal process is complete.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.